Oh crap! Prepare to jump into hyperspace on my mark.
All right.
Course laid in.
Maximum warp. Punch it.
Space. Its vastness knows little bounds, and in this video, I'll discuss how we might be able to transverse it.
4, 3, 2, 1, engage.
Einstein's theory of special relativity tells us that it takes an infinite amount of energy to accelerate a spaceship from 0 to the speed of light. Thus, it's physically impossible for us to ever reach the speed of light. So if it's impossible to travel at the speed of light, how will we ever explore the cosmos? Well, we could slow down a bit to say 1% the speed of light. Even at 1% the speed of light, it would take 400 years to reach the nearest solar system. That's pretty impractical. So how do they do it in the movies? They always make space travel seem so easy. Most sci-fi movies use some sort of a warp drive.
Prepare to jump into hyperspace on my mark.
Warp drives work by contracting the space in front of the spacecraft and expanding the space behind it. This can effectively produce faster than light speeds. Miguel Alcubierre, a theoretical physicist from Mexico, was the first to propose such a drive. Although the drive is mathematically valid, as in is consistent with the Einstein field equations, the proposed mechanism of the drive implies a negative energy density and therefore requires exotic matter. So if exotic matter with the correct properties does not exist, then the drive could not be constructed. With the warp drive being debunked, there's really only one more way to travel quickly through space, and that's by traveling through a wormhole. Here's a great clip from the movie Interstellar doing just that.
Any trick to this, Doyle? No one knows. Now the others made it, right? At least some of them. Everybody ready to say goodbye to our solar system? To our galaxy. Here we go.
Wormholes might allow faster than light travel by ensuring that the speed of light is never exceeded locally at any time. While traveling through a wormhole, slower than light speeds are used. If 2 points are connected by a wormhole whose length is shorter than the distance between them outside the wormhole, the time taken to traverse it could be less than the time it would take a light beam to make the same journey if it took a path through the space outside the wormhole. To summarize this video, the universe is extraordinarily large, and space travel is extraordinarily hard. But we're humans, and we're clever, and we'll find a way.